Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 31st, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Two puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, this one is a 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku. Well, I'm having troubles with my tripod. Let me put this. Yeah, I'm having troubles with my tripod. I'm not pleased. Anyway, okay. Let me hold this. 4-star Sudoku number 7910. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24. Yeah. 4-star puzzle has always 24 printed digits, and it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 4 fours. All right. We have here 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? That's the question. Well, cannot start with the 4. What's happening? Not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about the number? Well, I'm thinking. How about the number? Need a 9 there. We have 3 nines. Yeah, the 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between. There's only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the third column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8. And need an 8 here. Well, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 here in this third column. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. Okay. So here 2 missing numbers. The 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those numbers later on. How about need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Okay. And well, 6 could be here also. Well. 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column, middle column. So no 4, 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those two boxes. Disappear. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 place left of 9 should be here. Oh, there we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 4, 4, okay. Need a 4 there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left of the 4 should be here. Oh, there we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Need a 5 there. No 6 here. 6, 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left of the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left of the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, 6, 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is the 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in this box. 6 in the second row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 1, 1, need a 2. 2, 2, need a 3, could be everywhere, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this first column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, okay. So now, it's 16. Now, need a 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Oh, I need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 1 and, yeah. No. 2 in the, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. The only 3 place left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. We have a 3 and a 4 here. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. And then well, 1 and a 3, okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. Okay. How about these 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8, 3, 5, 8. No. 2, 2, 2. Alright, how about the 4? No. We have all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can't see yet. It's number 1 and 4. Need a 9 here. Yep, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. 6 and 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and 7 can fill this yet. Well. Here we have also 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. That means in this column we need a 1. Well, here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. And here can be a 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for 1 should be here then. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 2 and a 9, okay. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. Well, 3, 5, 8 here. No. Come on. Okay. Need a 7 here. How about 8? Yeah, 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. Well. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it as well, solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.